2020 has actually been a very exciting year so far. We've announced a brand new discovery and announced that we've begun drilling. We're going to be the most aggressive drilling explorer, junior explorer in Mexico in 2020.
All right, StockPulse on location, 2020 Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. We've got here now Mike Konnert. He's the founder and CEO of Vizsla Resources. That's VZLA on the venture. Hey, Mike, appreciate you spending some time here.
Well, thank you for coming over and wanting to hear the story. Appreciate that.
Yeah, you guys hit our radar here a while back here with some good news. So for investors who are not really familiar, why don't you kind of walk us through how you put this deal together, and then what your 19 looked like?
Yeah, sounds good. So Vizsla Resources is a company that I started and IPO'd in September of 2018. 2019 was a very transformative year for us. We raised some money and used that money in order to basically bring this group of projects into the company called the Panuco district. And following that, we raised another $6 million without a warrant in December. And 2020 has actually been a very exciting year so far. We've announced a brand new discovery and announced that we've begun drilling. We're going to be the most aggressive drilling explorer, junior explorer in Mexico in 2020.
Yeah, let's get into the nuts and bolts of the drill program. Why don't you lay that one out?
Yeah, so we've actually begun drilling a 14,500 meter program, starting off on the Anima structure, which is the most productive vein of the entire district. And from that, we've actually found a new discovery that we found through mapping and sampling, and we're going to follow up on that with drilling as well too. So drilling lots of holes this year.
So how's this been received? Pretty exciting time of year. I mean, you got gold at a nice level here. Fed's telegraph that money's going to be free. It should be good for the gold market.
Yeah, I think so. We've been very happy with the share price performance. We've had a great shareholder base come into the story, so very excited about that. And shares have moved from 13 cents to 90 cents last Friday.
Wow, that's quite a move. So yeah, let's get a little deeper into 2020 here. Kind of lay out the give me the 90 days anyway. What investors can expect here?
Sure. 90 days. I think we have some more results coming from the mapping and sampling program that we initiated late last year. We will also start to see some drill results coming in those 90 days, I would imagine. And we look forward to other corporate news as well too. But I guess the big thing for investors is we're going to have more high-grade results, possibly more discoveries, and certainly more drill results coming.
Lay out the structure here for me.
Sure, we have 55 million shares outstanding, 74 million fully diluted. Myself, my partners, my board own about 25% of the company. We have two institutions that have come in the last financing, and we're moving into an institutional story, but there really isn't a lot of stock out there in the public flow.
And how is the public receiving this? Stock pretty liquid?
It is, yeah. It trades between 300 and 500,000 shares a day usually, and it's quite a liquid stock, yeah, it is.
So quite a bit of news flow here, I'd imagine, the next 90 days, releasing these holes and moving forward.
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely.
Okay, that's Mike Konnert. So quick look into Vizsla Resources, VZLA on the venture, and I certainly look forward to following these guys a little more, so keep your eye out for these guys. Mike, I appreciate your time.
Thank you, appreciate it.